Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to be exploring Madina. So let's go. With our mum, we're going to do a bit of shopping first. Do a bit of shopping and then maybe get on the hop and hop of course and see what's happening about Madina. So opposite gate 329 there are a lot of gold shops. So if you're interested in buying some gold, so you can check out these shops, but just be mindful that these gold shops are a bit more expensive because it's just outside Masjid al-Nabi. If you go further down towards Cuba Market Street, the gold will be a bit more cheaper down there. So just explore a bit more further out and you'll get a better rate. Here you have the frames. You take a picture, that's one frame. There's one frame there. And then there you've got all food from different countries. So we'll check that out as well. These pictures come out really amazing. I'll insert one for you to have a look. So this is food from all different countries. You've got fresh juices, Afghani food, ajwa ice cream, Turkey food, Malaysian food, Indian, Italian, Chinese, a few more. Ajwa ice cream. So this is Turkey food. I've got baklava. Medina goodness. I've got jalebi. Thai jalebi. Get an idea of prices as well. Chinese food. That's enough left. This one's popular, it's already finished. Just spotted a Pakistani restaurant, but I don't love that, we'll have to bring them here. So these are all opposite Masjid al-Nabi. We've got Juice Farm, Turkish food, Istanbul. Perfume, shawarma around Pakistani restaurant. You've got seating here to sit down. Serving of Arabic food, coffee. So the photo frame and the food from all around the road is opposite gate number 336 to 333, and then you have the photo frame there, and then you go 2 photo frames there, and then the food is further down. So that's opposite gate number 336 and 333. Opposite gate 338, you have like the high street next to H&M, store down there. So back in Ahmed Perfumes. In this hotel, this trip, the Lions National Hotel. I'm just heading to our room to collect my dad and nephew, and we're going to be heading back towards the photo frames house. So Sahil, how's your second day in Madina going? Good. Enjoying yourself? Yeah. You can hire out some bikes here as well. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe, like and click on the bell icon for all upcoming vlogs. So in our next vlog, we'll be going on the hop on hop off bus and doing a tour of Medina. So make sure you click on the bell icon to be notified when I upload that video. Thank you for watching. And remember my pets and otherwise.